Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Baba Sandy Home Recipe. Sunday dika share a video. Make my rain to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now I me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one side then ebeka. And the best say be fruit salad. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box now. Ingredients ni wo ho. Yes, that's it. A fruit na ebe use no. Ube washing it with fruit disinfectant. U washing it na pe na watwitwa. Me de medikan atwitwa deda. Ye o banana wo ho. Ye wo grapes. Ye wo apple. Blueberry. Cherry. Strawberry. We so ye kiwi, peach, apricot, lemon juice. We fa gba obeye wo mu. Na wa hwe wo kiwi, apricot, pesca, egu bowl. What the apple aka ho? Ni na ye twitwa deda. Grapes, blueberries, strawberries, cherry, banana. What the 1 tablespoon sugar aka ho? Lemon juice no aka ho. We are now mixing it now together. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. When we know wakataso, now the kosher feed me for 3 hours. After 3 hours, na waji, na wa serve. Now this is our fruit salad. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.